Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open two or more different windows of same Chrome web browser in an Android smartphone and tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Chrome web browser on your respective Android smartphones or tablets. Now just click on this three dot icons and click on the setting. Just scroll down below. Now just click on this about Chrome and kindly check the version number, whether it is 128 or not. If it is lower than this, then kindly update to this version number, and after that just minimize it. Now click on the respective icon and select this open in split screen view. Now just click on this three dot icons. Now you will see here new window. Just click on it. Now the other window of the same Chrome web browser will get open. Now you can see I can open two different websites on two different windows of the same Chrome web browser. And if you want to close one window, just click on the three dot icons. Now you can see your manage window. Click on it. Now you can select the respective window, whichever you want to close, and you can just select the close window, so it will restore back. So by using this method, you can easily open two or more different windows of same Chrome web browser in Android smartphone and tablet very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.